Year 10 Polynomial Exam Practice Question 9. So we've got a function of x is equal to ax to the power of 3, take away x squared minus 5x plus b. Now the question says where a and b are constants. When f of x is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 36. When f of x is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is 40. Find the value of a and the value of b. So the first thing we need to think about is looking at remainder theorem. If something is not a factor, we are left with the remainder. So based on our understanding, if I say the function to make this 0, x would be 2. The function when x is 2, and if I put that into my equation, I am going to end up with having 36 left over. So that means I've got a times x, which is 2, to the power of 3, minus 2 to the power of 2, minus 5 times 2 plus b. And I know this is going to give me remainder of 36. I am able to simplify this now. 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which gives me 8. So I've got 8a. Minus 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Take away 5 times 2 is 10. Plus b equals 36. I can simplify this. So that gives me 8a. I've got negative 4 take 10. Negative 4 take away 10 is negative 14. Plus b equals 36. The next step is I am able to plus 14 to both sides to get the constants onto one side. So that gives me plus 14 to both sides because the equal sign means equivalent. And that leaves me with 8a plus b is equal to 36 plus 14 is 50. Now, the next step is I'm going to do the same thing with my other one where it says x plus 2. So that means I'm going to evaluate with saying that my x is negative 2. And that will give me the result of 40 left over. So let's just look at it. So I might actually move it over. Okay, so that means I've got a times negative 2 to the power of 3, take away negative 2 to the power of 2, take away 5 times negative 2, plus b. Now let's simplify this. So I know I've got negative 2 to the power of 3 is negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So I've got negative 8a. Then I have here negative 2 squared is positive 4, but there's a negative there. So still take away 4. Then I go to the next part where it says I am taking away 5 times negative 2, and a negative is a positive. 5 times 2 is 10, plus b. So there's a few differences there. I know this is going to give me a remainder of 40. So then we can slowly simplify this one as well. So I've got negative 8a can stay there, but I want this part to be simplified. So So I've got negative 4 plus 10. Negative 4 plus 10 is equal to 6. And then plus b is equal to 40. Again, I would like my constants to be on one side. So to do that, I'm going to take away 6 on both sides. And that gives me negative 8a plus b is equal to 40. Take 6, well 40 take 6 is going to be 34. So we've got two equations. Now the next thing I always look at is when we're trying to do it, we want to get one variable by itself and then we're going to substitute it in. So in this case here, I'll get b by itself over here. So this is negative 8a. So the first thing I need to do here is I am going to add 8a to both sides. That gives me the value of b is equal to 8a plus 34. Now we can see we've got b by itself. So this is using a simultaneous equation to try and work out the values of a and b. So if b is 8a plus 34, I can rewrite this equation and put it in whenever I see b. So I've left with 8a plus my b. b is 8a plus 34. And it is equal to 50. Now we just need to simplify. So to start off, I've got 8a plus 8a equals 16a. Then I've got 16a plus 34 is equal to 50. I would like to get rid of my 34 on this side. So to do that, I need to take it away. So I'm taking 34 away from both sides. That leaves me with 16a is equal to 15 take away 34 is 16. The next step is to get a by itself, and I need to divide both sides by 16. That gives me a is equal to 1. So this is my first part of my answer. The second part of my answer is going to be when I substitute it into the equation. So that means it's going to be 8 times a, which is 1, plus b equals 50. Now I need to go 8 times 1 is 8. So 8 plus b is 50. I need to take away 8 from both sides now. And that gives me my b by itself. 50 take away 8 equals 42. So now we have our value for b. So we got our a is 1 and our b is 42.